Hello dear students, today I will discuss about miscellaneous exercise of chapter conic section. Okay, this is last class for this chapter. Miscellaneous exercise, just we have already studied about circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. So miscellaneous exercise are different type of having different type of questions. Just first question is, we'll use the idea from ellipse, parabola, etc. So your first question is, if parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter in depth, find the focus. Parabolic reflector. So parabolic reflector means just like this parabolic reflector. Okay, and all the questions are given in verbal form. Just we have to draw diagram with taking suitable axis. Suppose this is parabolic reflector, and its a diameter is what? 20. So suppose this is diameter. Okay, this is diameter 20 centimeter diameter. Okay, and if parabolic reflector, then we can draw it as taking vertex at center and axis along x-axis, and then this will be y-axis. Okay, we can suppose diameter is 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter, and this is diameter. That is what? Double ordinate. And deep is 5 centimeter. That is, this is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. This distance is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find focus of this parabolic reflector. Okay, so we can suppose this is A, this is B, O, this, and x-axis and x 20. So if this point will be what? The value of x is 5. This is equals to 5 deep, and this is equals to 20 in the parabola. This is double ordinate, this equal this, that is half portion 20, then 10. So A is a point lie on the parabola, and parabola at axis along x-axis can be written as equation of parabola is what? Y square equals to 4ax, because open and right, open to the right. So a 5 10 lie on this. Therefore, just solve it. How? A lie on this parabola, that is point A, will satisfy it. So here x equals to 5, y equals to 10. So 10 square equals to 4 into A into 5. So here 100 equals to 20A. So it implies A equals to 5. And focus of this parabola is what? A0, that is 5 0. So this is answer. So we can draw according as given in the question. Okay, just we can draw this. We know equation of parabola will be this. So according to that, A lie on the parabola, so A will satisfy the equation. Just put here, then we can get A goes to 5, and we want to find what? Focus. So focus will be A0 for this parabola. So 5 is the answer. Okay. Now take question second. Question second. Okay. Question second. That is what? An arc is in the form of a parabola. An arc. An arc is in the shape of a parabola with its axis vertical axis. Vertical axis means parallel to y-axis. That is upper side, lower side you can take. So upper side, and suppose upward parabola, and the arc is 10 meter high and 5 meter wide at its base. Base means, suppose arc like this, this is the base, this is the base. Okay, so here arc is in the form of parabola with its vertical axis and 10 meter height, that is height is 10 meter, and 5 meter wides at its base. Base 5 meter, height 10 meter. How wide is it? Is 2 meter from the vertex of the parabola. So we can draw its diagrammatically, just like suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Vertically we have to draw parabola vertically. So this is y-axis. Okay, so we can draw parabola like this. So this is base, this is base. Okay, suppose AB, this is base, this is vertex, vertical. Base is this, means this is what? 5 meter. Here in meter. Okay, so 5 meter, and height is 10. Height means what? This is 10 meter. This distance is 10 meter. This distance is 5 meters. Okay, so their coordinate will be what? This distance is 10. So always y equals to 10, and x equals to, that is this distance and this distance, will be same. One is here, another is here. Okay. So this is 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2. Because at the base, this is double ordinate. So this is equals to this in the parabola. So we can write this is 5 by 2 x. This is minus 5 by 2. Clear? Now, this is vertex. Okay. So we have to find what? How wide is it? 2 meter from the vertex. This is vertex. 2 meter from the vertex. How wide? Here this wideness is 5 meter. From 2 meter, this is 10 meter. So suppose this is 2 meter. Suppose this is 2 meter. Then wideness is this, what? PQ. So we have to find the value of PQ. This is 2. That means we have to find this. Here the value of y is 2. And here value of y is 2 always. Just we have to find the value of x. If we can find the value of this, then 2 times of this, because this is double ordinate. So here we see that 5 by 2 10 lie on this parabola. So equation of parabola is what? X square equals to 4ay. Okay, so implies, or we can write 5 by 2 10, that is B 5 by 2 10 lie on this. Therefore, just put the value 5 by 2 square equals to 4a, y equals to 10. So what? 25 by 4 equals to 4 3a. So a equals to what? A equals to, so we can write a equals to 25 by 4 into 4, 5 by 32. 4 into 40 by, not this, just solve it. 25 by 4 into 40, that is what? 5 by 32. 5 by 32. A equals to 5 by 32. A equals to 5 by 32. So we get the value of A. So the equation of parabola is what? X square equals to 4 into A. 4 into A, 5 by 32. Y, that is x square equals to 5 by 8 y. This is parabola, its equation. Okay, now we have to find the value of PQ. Okay, suppose this is L, then LQ, PL will be same value. So here for finding this value, suppose this is K, that is the value of X. Here if we put y equals to 2, because on this line here and here y equals to 2, suppose this is K, then this will be minus K. Since Q, K, 2 lie on this. Therefore, what K 2 will satisfy this. So K square equals to 5 by 8 into 2 implies K square equals to what? 5 by 4 implies K equals to what? Plus minus root 5 by 2. Root 5 by 2 K equals to. That is the root 5 by 2, root 5 by 2. Plus root 5 by 2 and minus root 5 by 2. Okay? Now, this K is equals to root 5 by 2. Thus, PQ equals to 2 times of K equals to 2 into root 5 by 2 equals to root 5. So, root 5. Okay? Root 5 by 2. Root 5. Approximately what will be the value? 2.23. 2.23 meter approximately. Clear? This is the value of 2 times of this. 2 times of K. This is K. This is K. Okay, the 2 times of K. That is the value. Wideness. This wideness is 2.23 meter. The third question. Third question, just see, a cable of a uniformly loaded suspension breeze. Uniformly loaded suspension breeze hangs in the form of a parabola. Means a cable is hanging position is like a parabola. The roadway, which is horizontal and 100-meter long, is supported by vertical wires attached to the cable. Its longest wire is 30 meter and shortest wire is 6 meter. Find the length of supporting wire attached to the roadway 18 meter from the middle point. So here just diagram is main thing here. Okay. So just draw. This is our wire of hanging wire. Where is suppose AB hanging wire, loaded wire is hanging just like parabola, and supporting wire, suppose this is ground, then this will be the vertex position. Suppose this is x-axis, because we want what? Equation. So we have to take x-axis and y-axis, and this is y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Okay, and here maximum supporting wire, maximum supporting wire, and minimum supporting wire. Maximum supporting wire is length is this. This is 30 meters. 30 meters. And minimum supporting wire is this. This 6 meters. Okay, this is minimum, this is maximum, this is ground level. Now, here, suppose this is O, this is A. Now, here we have to find also the roadway horizontal 100 meter long means this from here to here 100 meters, 100 meter long, and we have to find what? Find length of supporting wire attached to this on the roadway from the middle 18 meter, 18 meter from the middle. This is the middle. This is the middle point. This is middle point. That is, this value will be what? 50 meters. Middle is this. This is middle point. Okay, and this is 50 meters. Total is 100 meters. Total is 100 meters. Now, here from middle, suppose this is 18 meter. This is 18 meter. So our distance will be what? This. This is 18 meter. 18 meter. Then B, A, B, C, D, E, F. We have to find the length FD. We have to find FD. We have to find FD because from middle 18 meter, at 18 meter distance, what is the length of supporting wire attached to this loaded wire? Okay, so FD. So here this is 6, so this is 6. So FD equals to 6 plus FE. FE is required. Clear? Now this is vertex and this distance is 18. So point F will be what? 18, and here the value of Y. Y we have to require it. Y is required. This is Y. This is Y. This is Y. Okay, is this value. If we find Y, this is 18. This is 18 meter. So 18, 18. This is Y, Y. Now 18Y lie on this parabola. Before that, this is 30. But this is 6. This is origin. So this is 6. This is 30. So this is equals to 24. 30 minus this distance will be. this distance will be 30 minus 6 equals to 24. Okay. So this distance is equal to 30 minus this. So this distance is 24. So here 24, and this is 100. So this is 50. So this is 50. So this is 50. So B is 50, 24, and B lies on this parabola. So equation of parabola is what? X square equals to 4ay. Upward parabola, this is, since B 50, 24 lie on this, therefore just 50 square 4a, y means 24. So from here a equals to 2500. Just here calculate this, okay, by 4 into, so just write like this, 50 into 50 upon 4 into 24. By solving you can write this as 625 upon what? 24. 625 by 24. A is getting there. Equation of parabola is what? X square equals to 4 into 625 by 24, y implies x square equals to 625 by 24, so 6 square equals to 6x square equals to, you can write like this, 6x square equals to 625y. 6x square equals to 6x square equals to 625y. This is the equation of parabola. Now it will satisfy by f. Since f 18y just suppose this is not y, this is k. 18k also lie is on this parabola. Therefore, it will also satisfy. So 6, 18 square equals to 625, y means k, implies k equals 6, 18 square, 625 k, 6, 18 square, 625 k. So here k equals to 6 into 18 square by 625. So we can solve k equals to 6 into 18 into 18 upon 625. This is equals to, you can solve it 3.11 approximate. Approximate 3.11. Clear? So this k equals to this. So we get what? Fe equals to 3.11 meter. Thus, FD equals to, this is FD, length of supporting wall from, and the distance of 18 meter from middle is FD equals to 6 plus K. 6 plus K equals to 6 plus 3.11 equals to 9.11 meter approximately. 9.11 meter approximately. This is our answer. Clear? So, any questions, just you have to draw as a parabola, as an ellipse, as a hyperbola, okay? And take x-axis, y-axis, and then you can write the equation of parabola, hyperbola, etc. And find points lie on the parabola or ellipse. Then that point will satisfy the equation and you can get the required value of the quantity. Okay, so here just this value is required, FD, so FD equals to this. Okay, so this is the solution of question 3. Now question 4. So question 4, we can see an arc is in the form of semi-ellipse. Semi-ellipse means half portion. Okay, it is 8 meter wide and 2 meter high at the center. At the center, 8 meter wide and 2 meter high at the center. At the center, 2 meter height, 8 meter wide. Okay. Find the height of the arc at a point 1.5 meter from the one end. So just we have to draw first of all diagram. Then we can find the required, what will be the required quantity for finding. Okay, so here just draw the semi-ellipse. Just draw semi-ellipse. For that, just we require what? Y-axis. Suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and semi-ellipse is this. This is semi-ellipse. Total ellipse is this. So this is semi-ellipse. And this is center. Suppose this is center. And this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is center. And here just draw and semi-ellipse. Okay, and at the center it is (8 meter) wide. And here this is 2 meter wide wideness. Clear? Now find height of the arc. This is semi elliptical arc. Question 4. Just you have to draw a diagram. Now semi elliptical arc. This is height, this is wideness. Now 1.5 meter from the one end. Suppose this is a one end, its value is A. And 1.5 meter from the one end. Suppose from this end, 1.5 meter distance is this. 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter from this end, this distance. Or we can write like this. This distance is 1.5 meters. Just we have to find the height of the wire from 1.5 meter distance from the one end. Suppose from this end, so this is the height. This is our required value. We have to find the value of k, and this A, B. So its coordinate will be, this is equal to k, so its coordinate will be k, and this is 8, and x square plus y square, the equation of the ellipse. Equation of ellipse is what? X square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Here a greater than equal 1. Here a greater than equal 1. A greater than equal b. Yes? A greater than equal b in this. Here, length of major axis for this ellipse 2a equals to 8 meter. 8 implies a equals to 4 meter. A equals to 4 meter. So we get a equals to 4. And this is b. And also b equals to 2 meter. This to a equals to 4. Therefore, equation of ellipse is x square upon a square 4 square plus y square upon 2a square equals to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. Now, this is 1.5, this is 4, this distance is what? 4 meter. So this will be what? This distance. 4 minus 1.5. 4 minus 1.5. 4 minus 1.5. That is 2.5. What? 2.5. So this value 2.5. Also, since B 2.5 K lies on this ellipse, this point also lie on this ellipse. Okay, or not also, since therefore it will satisfy this. So x equals to what? 2.5 square upon 16 plus k square upon 4 equals to 1. Okay, now you can solve it and find the value of k. Find the value of k. Okay, so just solve it. K square equals to. Okay, k square equals to implies we can solve 1 minus this, calculate, and into 4, k square equals to. So k square equals to what? 2.4375. 2.4375. Just you have to solve it. Okay. K square equals to 1 minus this into 4. This. from here we can see that k equals to 1.56 approximately. 1.56 approximately. Okay? K equals to, that is this. Thus, height of the height of the arc at a point 1.5 meter from the one end. 1.5 meter from one end is 1.56 meter approximately. Okay, so this is the answer, this distance. This is the question 4. Similarly, just you can do the question 5 also. So question 5, give a rod of length 12 centimeter moves with its ends always touching the coordinate axis. Determine the equation of the locus of a point on the rod which is 3 centimeter from the end of contact with the x-axis. Okay, so here very simple, a rod, that is just like question 5. X-axis, this is y-axis, origin, this is a rod, suppose AB, this is a rod, suppose AB. Okay, so here write A and here B. This is a rod, origin this is axis, so rod are moving, just these two sides are sliding in this axis. So from one end, the locus, that is suppose PXY is a point on the rod from one end, distance of what distance? 3 centimeter. From one end, from this end, at a distance 3 centimeter. And rod is what? 12 centimeter. Total distance is 12 centimeter. Total distance of this rod, 12 centimeter. And from one end, 3 centimeter, P is a point. And we have to find its locus. If it moves on this axis. Suppose this angle is theta and draw perpendicular like this and also draw perpendicular like this. Then this will also theta because perpendicular. So just we can find the value here. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is P, this is C. Now here we can see that in this triangle, right-handed angle triangle, this is right angle triangle. So in this triangle, here see D, suppose in this triangle and in this triangle. Okay. In triangle what? BCP. This value is what? X. This value is what? Y. So in triangle BCP, what? Cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse. Base is this, hypotenuse is this, BP. So x by, what will be the value of this? 12 minus 3. This is 12 minus 3 equals to 9. So x by 9. And in triangle here ADP sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what? Y upon 3. So this is 1, this is 2. Squaring and adding 1 and 2, we get squaring and adding. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to x square by 9 square plus y square by 3 square. X square by 9 square plus y square by 3 square. So this is equals to what? This is 1. So x square by 81 equals plus y square by 9 equals to 1. So this is our equation of ellipse. The locus of P, which is locus of P, which is the locus of P. So this is a equation of ellipse. Just we have to find the locus P. Okay. So very simple solving questions. Just you have to draw diagram first, and then you can identify what will be the required quantity that we want to find after drawing diagram. So this is question 5. Now take question 6. Find the area of the triangle formed by the line joining the vertex of a parabola x square equals to 12y to the ends of lattice vector. Okay, so we have to find the area of triangle. So triangle is made by vertices will be what? End points of the lattice vector. Okay. So here x square to 12y is what parabola. So question 6, just see drawing of the given parabola is what? X square equals to 12y. That means given parabola is x square equals to 12y. That means upward parabola. So this is y axis and this is x axis. This is origin. This is origin and upward parabola will be there. Upward parabola. Okay. And lattice rectum. That is, suppose this is focus. Suppose this is focus, then lattice rectum is line perpendicular to axis and passing through the focus. So this will be the lattice rectum. AB is lattice rectum and focus here. Here 4a equals to 12 gives a equals to 3. Therefore focus is what? 0, 3. 0 and 0, 3. So this is 0, 3. That is, this value is 3. This value is 3. Now we have to find the and area of this triangle. We have to find area of triangle OAB. Where O is origin, A and B. Just we require 3 points. So this is origin 0, 0. This is B. Here 3. Why? This value is 3. This value is 3. This value is 3. So 3. Here also 3. The value of y is 3. And x. For finding the value of x, just put here y equals to 3. If y equals to 3, then from parabola x square equals to 12y, we get x square equals to 12 into 3, 36. That is x equals to 6. X equals to 6. So it is minus 6 is plus 6. Plus minus 6. That is A. Minus 6, 3 and 6, 3. Okay. So suppose this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then we can find the area of triangle using area of triangle is equals to half of modulus of x1, x2, x3, this x1, 2 minus y3, 2, 3 minus y1, 3, y1 minus y2. So this is the formula. Just we can use now x1 this, y2 this, y3 this. Just use this formula. Okay, this is y2. Any of that can be taken. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Just use here. And after solving, you can get the value as by taking modulus sign, just 18 unit square. Solve it, okay? By taking x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, just put value here and solve it. Okay. So this is the area of triangle. Just we require only coordinates. So here 0, 0, just say 3, this here and here will be 3 because this is latus rectum passing through focus. So this is parallel to this line because this line is perpendicular to on this line. So coordinate 3, 3 and just y equal to 3 put in the parabola. Then we can get the value of x 6 and minus 6. So these are 3 points, vertexes, so area of triangle by using this formula. Area equals to. Clear? This is question 6. Now question 7. A man running a race course notes that the sum of the distance from the two flag posts from him is always 10 meters and the distance between the flag post is 8 meters. Find the equation of the post traced by the man. So just remember that the definition of the ellipse is what? That locus of a point which moves in such a way that the distance, sum of the distance of the point, moving point from to fixed point remains constant. Locus of a point which moves such that the sum of the distance of that point from to fixed point remains always same. So here same thing. Suppose this man, this flag post, F1, F2, flag post, and this distance, sum of this distance, Pf1 plus Pf2, always same, 10, always same 10, okay, always same 10. Then the man moves in such a way that its path will be an ellipse. This focus, this distance is what? 2c. Okay? And this distance is 2c, and always one thing is also given, that what? 8 and always 10, and we know that if this is x-axis and just this is middle point and this is y-axis, then this distance 2c. So 2c equals to what given? 8. So c equals to 4. C equals to 4. 2c. This distance is equals to what? 8. C equals to 4. And this is b. This distance is b, and total distance is 2a. So here one thing is also given, that this is a dash, this is a, so a dash is equals to 2a. So a dash equals to also given 10. 2a, so a equals to 5. A equals to 5 and c equals to 4. Since equation of ellipse will be x square y a square plus y by b square equals to 1. Therefore, what? C square equals to root of a square minus b square. C square equals to root of a square minus c equals to. So c equals to root of 5 square minus, no, where c equals to given. C equals to given. So just C square plus B square equals to A square. So B square equals to A square minus C square. 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16 equals to 9. So B square equals to 9. B equals to 3. B equals to 3. B equals to 3. So the what path of the man? Thus path of the man is what? Ellipse. X square by A square plus Y square by B square equals to 1. That is X square by A square. A square means what? 5 square. 5 square plus Y square by B square means 3 square. 3 square equals to 1. Okay. So this is our answer, path. Okay. We can write it x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. So this is the path of the man. And last question, 8. Here, just an equilateral triangle is inscribed in parabola y square equal to 4x, where one vertex is at the vertex of the parabola. Find the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. Just we have to make a equilateral triangle in the parabola. Okay. Question 8. Suppose x axis, this is y axis, and parabola is this parabola. Okay, and we have to make equilateral triangle. Just take same value, and this is a point, this is a point, this is a point, this is vertical line. Okay, so suppose this point is A, this point is B, and this is O center. Equilateral triangle. All are equals. All are equal. Now, this is 0, 0, origin, equilateral triangle. So we have to find the side. We have to find sides of equilateral triangle OAB. Clear? That is OA, OB, AB equals to what? Just here, this is parabola. So parabola is what? Y square equals to 4x. Y square equals to 4x parabola. Clear? Now here, just suppose this distance, because O is what? 0, 0. AB double ordinate. So this distance, suppose K, this distance. So here what? K comma. Here K comma. Just like this. because k coordinate is k and this distance we require. Clear? Now, here we see that y is equal to 4x. So for this point, if x equal to k, then x equal to k. So y square equals to 4ak implies y equals to plus minus 2 root ak. That is plus value 2 root ak minus value 2 root ak. This coordinate. Clear? This. Now, just we can find the value of k. How? Since OAB is equilateral, therefore OA equals to AB, OA square equals to AB square. OA square means 0, 0 to this. So, distance formula k square 2 root ak square is equals to AB. K square, k minus k square, distance formula, y square. This minus 0 square, this minus 0 square, now this k minus k square, AB means k minus k square and plus minus 2 root ak minus 2 root ak square. So solving, so here k square equals to, just this is 0, this is 16 ak minus 4 ak equals to 12 ak. So this is equals to k equals to 12 a, k equals to 12. Thus, AB equals to 2 times of 2 root ak. So 4 root ak, 4 root a, k equals to 12, k equals to 12, k equals to 12a. So a square, so a and 8, so we can write 8 root 3a, 8 root 3a. So 8 root 3a. Okay, this is the value 8 root 3a. This is the answer. All values are equals because equilateral triangle. Okay, so 8 root 3a. This is the answer of these questions. Just all questions are completed from miscellaneous exercise. Just you have to solve all the questions in your homework copy and send me solution of at least 3-4 questions for your attendance. Okay.